Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Jeep Wrangler. First, make sure your Jeep's ignition is in the ACK or run position. Then, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device. Next, press the phone button on your Jeep's Uconnect system. From the menu, select Pair a Device or Add Device to put your Jeep into pairing mode. This is the crucial first step to enjoying hands-free communication and audio. Once your Jeep is in pairing mode, grab your phone and open its Bluetooth settings. You'll see a list of available devices. Look for Uconnect or Jeep Wrangler among them. Select this option to begin the connection process. A pairing request will appear on both your phone and the Uconnect screen. Confirm it on both to proceed. This ensures a secure and proper link. After selecting your Jeep, a 4-digit PIN will appear on your Uconnect screen. You'll need to enter this exact PIN into your mobile device when prompted. This security measure ensures only authorized devices connect. Once entered correctly, the Uconnect system will confirm successful pairing, and your phone's name will then be displayed on the screen, indicating a solid connection. With your device paired, you can now make calls and stream audio wirelessly through your Jeep speakers. For automatic reconnection, always keep your phone's Bluetooth enabled. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the Uconnect system often resolves them. Remember, you can usually pair up to 7 devices, but only one can be actively connected at any given moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.